Welcome to today's quick guide on how to figure out if someone has restricted your Gmail access on a PC. It's not always obvious, but there are a couple of telltale signs we can look for, especially with the latest Gmail updates. Let's dive right in. First up, check your past interactions. Has this person vanished from your inbox? I mean, have all previous email threads disappeared? Now, this could mean they simply deleted those emails, but it's also a potential hint that you might be restricted. Next, let's do a quick delivery test. Head over to Gmail on your computer by typing gmail.com in your browser. Once you're in, click on the Compose button. You'll find it at the top left corner. Now, in the To field, carefully enter the email address of the person you're curious about. Just type out a short, simple message. It can be as basic as, "Hi, just testing." Then hit Send. Now pay close attention to what happens next. If your email bounces back almost immediately and you get a delivery failure notification, something like, "This message was undeliverable," that's a strong sign. It suggests that you may have been restricted. Keep in mind that it's not a guaranteed confirmation, as there could be other reasons for the delivery failure, such as an incorrect email address or a temporary server issue. Gmail has robust security features, blocking spam, phishing attempts, and emails with suspicious attachments. Gmail's AI blocks over 10 million potentially dangerous emails every minute. However, it's important to remember that these are just clues. People can change their email settings, filter messages, or simply not be active. So, try not to jump to conclusions based solely on these steps. While Gmail offers features to enhance security, like confidential mode with SMS identity verification, email expiration dates, and the ability to block copying or downloading shared files, these are tools the sender uses. If someone suspects their own account has been restricted, they can try opening an incognito tab, going to mail.google.com, signing in and verifying their phone, or choosing other options. Hopefully, this helps clear things up. If you found this guide useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.